Hey kiddos, welcome to day 3 of your amazing words. Let's go ahead and go over the words that we learned this week. Say them with me. Here we go. Dusk, reflect, microscope, twilight, active, intimate. Let's read those again. Here we go. Dusk, reflect, microscope, twilight, active, intimate. All right, let's go over what those words mean. Dusk means when the sun sets. Reflect means when light or heat or a picture is formed. Microscope is a device that blows something that is small and makes it bigger. Twilight means when the sun is setting. Active means to be busy or to move around. And intimate means it is familiar or close together. All right, kiddos, let's learn our 2 words for today. Do you know what this word says? This word says detect. Say detect. Do you know what detect means? The word detect means to find out or to discover something. So if I'm discovering something, I'm detecting it. So when is it hard for us to detect stars in the sky? So I could say, when is it hard for us to find or discover stars in the sky? Well, if you said during the daytime, you would be right. We can't see stars during the day. Also, when it's super cloudy, it's really hard to detect stars. So remember, detect means to find or discover. So what kind of things could you detect with a telescope? Remember, a telescope helps us to see things that are far away. So what kind of things could I see with a telescope? Well, I can see other planets with a telescope. I can see constellations with a telescope. I might even be able to see houses that are really far away from my house with a telescope. Telescopes are used to find things that are far away. All right, kiddos, say the word detect. All right, let's do our last new one for today. What word is this? This word says sensitive. Say sensitive. Do you know what sensitive means? Sensitive means that you are easily affected by something. Well, what does that mean? Maybe you're easily affected by the sun. Maybe your skin burns really bad. That means your skin is sensitive. It's easily affected by something. Maybe you are emotional and you cry sometimes. Well, that means that you are sensitive. It means you are easily affected by what someone says to you. So sensitive just means you're easily affected by something. So what does it mean if you are sensitive to the sun? So like we said, maybe your skin burns very easily. That is how you would be sensitive to the sun. So what kind of things can you be sensitive to? Do any of you have allergies? Maybe you are sensitive to tree pollen, or to dust, or maybe to grass, or are you sensitive to your pets? All of those things can be things that you are sensitive to, which means you're easily affected by something. All right, kiddos, say the word sensitive. All right, let's say all the words that we have learned this week. Here we go. Dusk, reflect, microscope, twilight, active, intimate, detect, sensitive. All right, kiddos, we'll see you tomorrow.